Today, we will hear about a young man from Vietnam whose strange actions made him go viral not only in Vietnam but all over the internet. One day, he decided to leave everything behind: no city, no electricity, no market. He wanted nothing from modern life. In front of him, there would only be nature, a big raft, and the skill of his own hands. His goal was simple: to build a completely self sufficient floating island in the middle of water. It may sound unbelievable, but this dream took him deep into a dense rainforest in Vietnam to a quiet and hidden lake. Surrounded by jungle, silence, and unknown dangers, this was where the biggest challenge of his life began. One thing became clear: he was not just building a house, he was building his own future with his own hands. Even in today's world, the reality is similar. The person who learns new skills and thinks differently can prepare best for the future. First, he needed to build a floating base. After searching around, he found that bamboo was the best material: strong, light, and able to float. So he started cutting bamboo and tying them together to make a large raft. But where would he get rope? He found the solution in nature. He made strong ropes from bamboo fibers and used them to tie everything together. Next, he built a wooden structure on top of the raft. He had no nails, so he used an old technique making holes in wood and fitting pieces together to create strong joints. Then he built the roof using split bamboo arranged like tiles so rainwater could flow down easily. Soon, a small but strong house appeared in the middle of the lake. But a house alone is not enough to survive. He needed food. At first, he caught small fish and shellfish by hand. The place he started working in was rocky and steep, so he moved with his dog to a flatter, sandy area. There, he began building a garden on the raft. He brought fertile soil and dry leaves from the jungle and planted chili, vegetables, and even a banana tree. Slowly, a small green world started growing on his floating home. He also built a small pond in the middle of the raft to raise fish. He made a special trap and caught a large catfish one day. To move easily, he built a small pedal-powered boat. This helped him travel around the lake and collect more bamboo and wood. Then he had a bigger idea: growing rice on water. He built a structure with bamboo, used banana leaves to hold water, and added soil and ash to create fertile land. Then he planted rice seeds. Over time, his floating world kept growing. One day in the jungle, he noticed a clear path and realized animals used it. So he set a trap and caught 2 wild chickens. Instead of eating them, he kept them and built a small shelter for them. This became his future investment. For his garden, he needed bees. He found a wild beehive in the jungle and carefully brought the queen bee into a box. Soon, the whole hive followed. Now his garden was full of bees, and he got honey as another valuable food. Finally, harvest time came. He cut the rice, dried it, and made his own rice grains. Eating food grown by his own hands became one of the happiest moments of his life. Slowly, his floating island turned into a small village with fish farming, vegetable gardens, rice fields, chickens, and a beehive. A year ago, he came there alone. Now he stood in front of something he built with his own hands. This place was not just a floating house. It was the result of his patience, hard work, and intelligence. In the end, he understood an important truth: no one can conquer the world alone. But by living in harmony with nature, one can create a free and independent life. And this small floating island proves that if a person truly wants, they can build a whole new world with their own hands.